Consonants are also classified into two, voiced and voiceless. While 15 are voiced, 9 are voiceless. And you should also know that all the vowel sounds are voiced. Okay? I've taken through the oral drill before, but let's do it again. B, b, d, d, g, g, v, 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 z, z, j, 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 mm, 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 w, w, y, y, r, r. These are voiced consonants. P, p, t, t, k, k, s, s, sh, sh, ch, ch. These are voiceless consonants. You should also know that all the vowel sounds are voiced. Okay? It is important to know this because it has an implication when you pronounce some words. Okay? I will still drop a separate video for that, for the implication of these uh, voiced sounds and voiceless sounds. And to identify or to differentiate between or to know whether the sound is voiced or voiceless, just place the back of your hand here and try to pronounce these sounds. For instance, p, p, b, b. If you try it, you see the difference. You notice that there is vibration of the vocal cords during production of b. Do you understand? I think with that, we've been able to cover our learning objectives. The first objective is to identify the English sounds, and I've told you that we have 44 sounds in English. The second learning objective is to distinguish between vowels and consonants. I think we've also covered that. I told you that we have 20 vowels and 24 consonants. So when we produce vowel sounds, there is free flow of air in the mouth. Okay, but when we produce consonant sounds, there will be partial or total obstruction of airflow in the mouth. Do you understand? So the third learning objective is to pronounce all these sounds, which we've done. Okay, but we are not done yet, because to fully understand this concept, so you have to follow me, because we are still going to have separate videos for each of these sounds. Do you understand? So make sure you follow me, like my videos, share them, and don't forget to make comments. If there's anything you don't understand, please don't hesitate to get in touch with me. Thanks and God bless you.